auto horn. It's the actual scribble on the wall.
There you go.
You should.
Yeah!
And then she was
Auto horn.
The horn's about to go off.
Or no?
And now it reset at 7. The horn's about to go off in 5 seconds, so get ready. And it reset at 6:21.
go off.
Alright, we have 10 seconds until the auto horn goes off, so get ready. And it's at 3:38.
I'm sorry.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
It stopped at 6.
Stopped at 6. Ready for the auto horn?
Ready?
Stop it. 4,
3, 2, 1. The referee blew its whistle.
That's easy.
It's the auto horn. We did it, guys.
Seconds. For the auto horn.
It's Coach Burt. Hey, Coach Burt. It's the Coach Burt auto horn. The music stopped and the horn sounded off.
Caleb?
Wish I could say hi.
Sophie?
I want to say
And it reset to 7 minutes.